Hi everyone! If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. So you probably noticed my face is missing a little bit of makeup because today we're gonna be reviewing another item. I am actually super excited about this. So I found out this company, this makeup brand by accident, like totally accidentally, never heard of this before. In my previous video I reviewed their magic lipstick, the glitter switch lipstick, that magically the matte lipstick becomes a glittery and like sparkly lipstick. So I'm gonna link it in here if you wanna check it out after this video. And today I'm gonna be reviewing this Stamp Eyeliner. So it has two ends. That's a company, by the way, I forgot to mention. It's a company called Lottie London and it's cruelty free, and they're gonna prove, and it has a sign that it's a cruelty free as well. So humongous thumbs up for that. And it's super affordable. It's super cheap. So this dual eyeliner, because it has two ends, Stamp Eyeliner, Stamp and Eyeliner Duo. Sorry, that's what we call it. So this cost $5.99 if I'm right, so a bargain. So I think without any further ado, we should just open this up and try it on. It's still packed in the original sealed package, you know, the plastic thing that is super annoying to take off. Yay! Success, mission complete. So what it says is a Lottie London Stamp Liner Stamp and Eyeliner Duo Wings Made Easy Wing Edition. As I mentioned, I found out this company totally by accident the other day when I found out that Lippy by accident in my local Superdrug. Never heard of this company before. If you heard of them, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you like or hating them, because so far, after I tried that lipstick, I'm totally in love. But we'll see how the eyeliner works. So it has two ends. So one end is the eyeliner, very thick actually, more like a marker. Let's see. Okay. So black. The tip is very soft actually, so it's kind of easy to use. Let's see the stamp one. Oh, the stamp is quite big as well. I don't know if you guys can see. How can I show this on camera? Can you see what I mean? Stamp it up. Oh, proper triangle. I don't know if you guys can see, but it looks pretty cool. I like it. I'm gonna do it again. Okay, I think we should just try. So I'm gonna use a stamp a bit first, and then I'm gonna use that eyeliner. The eyeliner thingy was so super thick, so I'm a bit scared, but you know, we're gonna give it a go. Never tried anything like this before, so always the first time. Okay, so when I do my eyeliner, because I have hooded eyes, always do looking, you know, how I would look straight like this rather than closed eyes. So if I would do like this, then the liner would crease and look funny. So I always try to look straight like I'm looking now while doing this. So I'm gonna put the stamp exactly the way if I were drawing. Makes any sense what I'm saying? I'm so sorry, I'm so bad at explaining. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm so nervous that I'm gonna make it wrong and I'm gonna ruin everything. Okay, I'm doing this. Okay, how should I place? Oh, it's a very big wing gonna be actually. It's not a teeny weeny thing. Okay, let's try. Okay, so because I did looking like this, if I close, it goes like that, so I would need to join the parts, but saying that, this is amazing, but saved already so much time. Okay, let's do on the other eye then. So now I'm gonna open eye and just stamp more on that empty area, so gonna save time. Oh, here we go. Okay, open eyes and stamping more on this area. Okay, now we just need to add a few lines and we're done. I didn't like that this part went a bit thicker than another one, so I'm just gonna add a line in here. Alright, so because I'm doing this for first time on this eye, I messed up a little bit that corner. Rather than on this eye, it went very nice and, you know, like thinner. So I think I'll wait for this part to dry a bit and I'm gonna clean up, because this one turned out to be way much better. And maybe I needed to choose a bit different angle. But this part of the liner that I said is thick as a marker is actually very nice. Very easy to use. It's literally like a marker. So super easy to use. I like it. And it's not drying out super quick. Okay. I like it so far. I think I'm gonna clean off this wing and do a new one, because, you know, practice makes it better, isn't it? Because as you see, I unwrapped it in front of your eyes and I had no clue what to expect. But this liner part is amazing. Okay, let's clean this up and try it again. Okay, so now I'm just smoking it out, which I kind of like it. I'm using the same sponge that I used today for applying the makeup. I'm just blending the shadow a little bit. Okay, let's try a different angle. Yay, this time is way much better and the wing is smaller. So now I just need to attach this dot together. It's like dot to dot, literally. Here you go. One eye is complete. I honestly love it. So if you have a hooded eyes, make sure you're keeping your eyes open, you know, when you're stamping it on. If you don't have hooded eyes, do whatever you want. It's still gonna look good. Okay, so I'm gonna clean this part a bit as well because I want it to match the angle because this one now looks too high with the match and it's a little bit annoying. But you know what? I tried the first stamp in front of you, so I had a bit no clue what angle or how it's gonna work, but now it saves so much time. Oh my god, in the mornings I'm gonna be super fast. Honestly loving it so far. Stamp number 2. Okay, kind of similar. So I'm gonna use the liner part. Basically doing exactly the same as on the other eye. I'm really liking this liner. I thought it's gonna be too thick and like super hard to use, but oh my goodness, this is amazing. Alright, so the stamp thing definitely needs some practicing. As you see, I needed 2 goes to do this because before I placed it too high because I didn't realize the angle I need to use. But saying that, it's absolutely amazing. Like, you know, 2 goes and here you go. So if you go and purchase this, don't go straight away. If you're rushing in the morning, you will like, I'll just stamp it on. Practice before, like give it a trial run, you know, if you're gonna go for it. So I'm just gonna jump in quickly and apply the mascara. I'm gonna use the NYX Worth the Hype mascara and I'm gonna get back to you. Alright, so mascara is on and honestly, I am absolutely loving this stamp liner. I didn't know what to think of it when I got my hands on it. I was like, will it gonna work? No, like I have hooded eyes. It's really difficult to apply eyeliner when you have a hooded eyes. The struggle is real. If you have a hooded eyes, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But this baby makes the whole process like this. I mean, you see, first time obviously I didn't know which angle to choose or anything because you gotta practice with a new thing, right? But from a second try, I actually did it perfect. You know, perfection. I mean, I am absolutely amazed. Perfection. Couldn't recommend more, honestly, guys. And this is completely unsponsored and the review is completely honest as any of my other reviews are. Even if they sponsored, I still say what I think because, to be honest, I actually don't understand other YouTubers. I know it's money and all to say, oh, this is honest review because I purchased the product. I mean, like, even if you haven't purchased the product, it's supposed to be an honest review because people like you now watching it, I do watch your reviews too and I totally believe in what they say. Do you know what I mean, guys? So I can promise you from the bottom of my heart that on my channel you won't ever gonna see the fake review of any products because I think this is why I don't get super popular because some companies who approach me, they actually require a positive review and I'm like, well, if I'm not gonna like a product, I'm gonna save it, you know? So I think that's why I don't get super popular and super rich as any other YouTubers, but that's a policy I'm gonna hold on to as long as I can, forever. So this is the message to you from me. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. As I say, I totally love this Lottie London Stamp Liner. Such a good product. Could recommend more. Go get yourself one. Will save you time doing your eyeliner. And yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of it. And please, if you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I couldn't stress enough how important it is if you would subscribe to my channel. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and bye. Ciao, guys.